Alright buddy, welcome back to another video. What's it been, 2 months? It's been 2 months since my last upload. Your boy was in Fiji for 2 weeks, right? Came back, went straight into work, and then winter, so you know, it wasn't sunny, it was all cloudy, it was all rainy and stuff like that. But today I had the plan. I was like, I'm going out fishing. I don't care if it's rainy, I'm gonna buy a tent, I'm gonna camp out here until I catch a carp. There's carp here, they're awake in winter, which is a bit odd, but hey, I'm not complaining. Let's catch some fish, let's get started. Oh crap, that could have been bad. Yo, I thought it was you! I thought it was you! Huh? You catching much? Yeah. I got one and I missed it. Yeah. Bro, I thought it was you. I was like, yo, he's got the same hair and everything. I knew it was Jason, man. I knew it was him. It was like, who other person would have a camera? He was a good kid. He was a good kid. Shit, yo, got a fish. I got a fish. Oh, fish on. I knew it, bro. I knew there was a fish here. I'm gonna start my camera. Oh, it came off. No. Oh, what happened? 4 pound line, that's what happened. 4 pound line, man. Oh, it snapped me off. Oh, what a clean break. Oh, I can't, oh my God. I can't be arsed, man. Shit. Damn, man. I'm resting that rod. That rod is gonna, Bro, don't talk to me, man. Alright, finally. We got a fish. Oh wait, I thought that one. That was a decent fish, yeah. I think it's a good fish. See, all we need is just some corn. It's a hook. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's a nice carp. Do you eat these? Do you eat fish? Do you want it? Yeah. Yeah? You can keep it if you want, yeah, because...
I want to see it.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's alright one, it's a decent sized one. Kind of hurting my wrist there. It's a good eating size though. Yeah. That's another bite. Come on, bite again. There we go, fish on. Another one. Jeez, this is on the ultralight as well. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Jeez, next to all those snags over there. This is like the worst place to bring the ultralight rod. Come on. Come on now. It's a tiny one. Yeah, this one's a baby one. Oh, this guy was going nowhere, bro. This guy had no chance. He had no chance. Oh. There we go. That's a pretty good one. Same size, pretty much. Smaller one, yeah. It's time for me to head home. Today I count it as an absolute win. We caught 5 fish, which is really good. Met this guy named Raksmey, ended up giving him all the carp we caught together. Yeah, it was really nice meeting him. It was the first time fishing. Yeah, I hope he enjoys the fish, man. 3 hours spent, 3 hours of free time I had.
Shaking lies off for ya. My God, covered in the blood, you would think that I was fangs on Dracula. My God, flip it all around, you would think he had your life on spatula. All ops will get massacred on the day that he comes right back for us. They said the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck.